This is pretty much just a simple browser application which you can use to browse the internet, and as well you can use it for other things, WhatsApp, Facebook, and Instagram, as any other browser. So down here you have the Reels or TikTok type of vibes where you can scroll. If you tap on this option here, you can scroll as well to see what's going on in the world, or pretty much TikTok Reels. So it will take a while to load. I'm not sure why it takes so long. So this is pretty much how the Reels will look, and you can just scroll down and scroll and you will see other Reels which you can as well watch. And not just only that, you can download them right away. So just a very simple browser application which you can use. You have the general option, which is just the normal browsing option, and you have the incognito mode, which pretty much deletes after you close the tab. So nothing much.
Generations of Palestinians.
Nothing much. And quality, I don't know why the quality is so low. Well, maybe it's my internet connection, but it's a very, very simple application. As you can see here, do get news updates as well for down here. So at the top here, just tap on the search option and pretty much search for what you want. Let's say for Google example, anything basically like any other browser. So very, very simple. But one big problem is that it has too many ads. As you open the application, it's ads, and that needs to be fixed. Too many ads, but overall, it's still a decent application. And with all that, guys, make sure you subscribe to my channel, drop the bell. I'll see you in the next one.